Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. Today we are going to learn how to do the hood, which is an excellent addition to the coat that I just posted 2 weeks ago. And last week we learned how to do the pockets. Now we are going to learn how to do this hood. In YouTube, you will find me as Ana for Lana, so click the cat and there you will see all my videos. This hood is very easy to make and also very easy to attach and detach because it's going to have just buttons and then you will be attaching it to your coat. We'll be using the same yarn that we use for the coat, a polyester yarn category 6 and a crochet hook of 8 millimeters. So this hood is composed by two parts and is very easy. The width is going to be 9 inches or 23 centimeters and the length is going to be 13 inches or 33 centimeters. So here in the corner we are going to make a little curve, but we are going to start now in the front. Okay, so we are going to use the 8 millimeter hook and we are going to chain 26 stitches. Okay, I'm already done with the 26 stitches. Now we are going to do 25 single crochets. I finished the row, I'll chain one, turn the work, yarn over, and in the very first space I will do a double crochet. So I will continue doing double crochets all the way up until I get to have 8 rows. Then I'll meet you in the 9th. At row 9, we are going to measure so far 8 inches, 20 centimeters approximately. But before ending the row number 9, let me just undo this one because the last 2 points, instead of a double crochet, I will do single crochet. So it's declining, and now we turn the work. Don't do a chain. We just turn the work, and in the next space, we are going to do slip stitch, and in the next one, single crochet, and then double crochet till the end of the row. So then we are just forming the curve. So this is row number 10 and the last one. Just continue with double crochet. So we already finished the two parts and now we are going to put them together and we are going to be using slip stitch. So just insert the hook and pull the yarn, and in each little ring we are just going to be doing slip stitch. Okay, so I just finished putting it together and now the end I'm going just to hide it in between the stitches. Okay, so now we are going just to do a border at the front. So I'm going to start with 10 single crochets. This is at the beginning. This is the front part. And now that we finished 10 single crochets, we are going to continue doing double crochets. Okay, so once on the other side, we count 10 before the end and put the marker there. So that will be our last double crochet and we will continue doing single crochets from the marker until the end. Okay, so now we can see that we already closed everything and we just put the border at the front, and now we are deciding about where to put the buttons. And I just got yarn similar in color, so but you can do it with regular thread, just make it stronger. So now the point is how many buttons, but because I want to take it off and put it on easily, I will be just doing 3 buttons. Okay, so now that you are putting the buttons, remember to roll around the thread so it gives strength to the button, and also it gives a little bit of height. So you will be able to uh, pass through the buttonhole, the button with no problem. Okay, so you see how easy this process has been. Now we are just attaching the hood to the coat, and you just put the button at the height that you need it. If you want to be a little closer to the edge, you can do it, but then that's it. Okay, so now we have the complete coat with pockets, with hood, and I hope you like this tutorial. So please give me a like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time in my channel, Ana Lana. Thank you.